What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. So are you guys ready for this? We got snow and there's a lot of it coming. We're gonna go to the shop. This is like the first snow for the Speed, and I'm gonna get a jacket, some GoPros, and then we're gonna go do some donuts and have some fun in the snow with the Speed, because this is the first big snow for the Speed under my ownership. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so the main roads aren't bad. The Speed taking it like a champ right now. It's supposed to snow all day, so I expect there to be a lot of snow on the ground. Should be good all day to do donuts in this thing. Had to turn traction control off. I'm gonna give it a little sauce. Oh yeah, this parking lot's gonna be fun later. Holy cow. Anyway, we are here. Oh yeah, this thing looks so cool in the snow. We got the grills starting to get stuffed with snow. Oh, I need a coat. Need a coat real bad. I'm actually gonna wait until there's a little more snow on the ground. It's supposed to snow all day, so there's gonna be plenty. But one thing I did notice, it was kind of sketch. I don't know if it's because of how much camber I have or my lack of like front tire tread. Not even giving it gas, just turning, it was starting to understeer. Yeah, understeer or oversteer? I think it was understeering, I don't know. But it was sketch, so I'm not going far in this thing today. A little snow update. This guy keeps coming around and plowing the parking lot. But hey, it doesn't matter because there's so much snow, it literally keeps covering up within a second. Look at how much snow there is. This is incredible. This thing is going to rip. Okay, got the GoPro. We're gonna go ahead and head out and just drive around, have some fun while I wait for this parking lot to clear out, and then we'll come back here later and just tear it up. The second I open the door, a train comes by. This thing covered up quick. Don't fall in here. Don't do it. Nope. Get out of here. Let's see if I can get this thing stuck. I'm gonna put my defrost on. Oh yeah, we're sideways, baby. No gas at all. Yep, roads are definitely a little slicker than they were earlier. Oh! Ice like Tokyo Drift. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It's slick when you let off throttle. By the way, guys, I am on summer tires, so this is really, really sketch. Holy cow. I bet that looked sick from the outside. I'm gonna try and go somewhere where I can set the camera up on the outside and do a rip or something. There's a cop. Try not to do anything stupid in front of him. Yep, there he goes. Bye-bye, officer. Nothing to see. Everyone's looking at me like I'm a nutcase in a lowered car. Oh yeah, we're like floating around here. We are a sliding person in front of me sliding. Yeah, they're like screw it, we're out. There they go. Like, all right, we're going home. No gas. Come on, get sideways. Dude's flying up behind me. Are you kidding me? Bruh. Bruh. It's one of those Jeep guys. This is the roundabout where I hit a curb for the first time ever in my 240. Oh god, and we're about to do it again. Come on. Come on, Speed. Don't hit a curb. Oh my, no more roundabouts. We're avoiding all roundabouts. Oh, they hit the curb! They hit the curb! They literally hit the curb! That's what you get! Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay, so I was driving all slow and cautious, and this Jeep came flying up behind me, you know, being all cocky and stuff. And then I went into the roundabout where I said I hit the curb for the first time ever, so I know that that roundabout's slick. And then he comes flying in and literally plows the curb. Oh yeah, look at this road. This will be perfect to set the camera up. So much snow. my gosh, it's slick. That was sick. Come on. Oh my, this thing looks so cool in the snow. Snow is pounding me in the face right now. On the real though, this thing is actually a beast in the snow. US postman holding up all the traffic. It's all right, buddy, you bring me my car parts, I love you. It feels like we're ice skating. That's the best way to describe this. Oh, someone crashed. RIP, RIP. Dang, they plowed that curb. Wow. Rip to the Lincoln. What the heck? That guy looked at me, did that. Okay, buddy. You want me off the road? Too bad. They are not getting up that driveway. Good luck. Can we all get a RIP in the comments for all the salt that this speed is about to get on it and all the rust it's gonna create? We need an RIP. Merca! That is a sick license plate. Dang, I bet that thing's eating out here in the snow. Merca! Heck yeah! Give a little e-brake here. Oh, it didn't work. All-wheel drive e-braking is weird. Okay, we just got back. That was a lot of fun, really sketch. I'm gonna wait for this parking lot to fill back up with snow. Then we'll go back out and rip, but look at how sick this thing's looking. Lots of snow packed everywhere. That's too much fun. Okay, parking lot is all clear. Train just left. Let's do some donuts in this thing. That's so much fun. The e-brake does not work. Snow everywhere. Oh no, I need to put the window up. This thing sounds insane. Holy cow, that was sick! Okay, I beat on it a little hard there. We're done for now. It sounded insane. It looks insane. Look at the wheels. They are absolutely packed with snow. Dang, that's a sick look for those wheels. Maybe I should find some wheels that look like that. Anyway, I'm letting the turbo cool down for a minute, all that hot oil out of it so it doesn't just sit in there, and then I'm gonna shut her down. Okay, we are about to head home because the snow has not let up. It's still snowing a bunch, and the roads are just getting more and more covered, and I'm really not trying to get stuck at the shop. Not that it's a bad place to get stuck at, but I mean, look at my car, it's all ice. And oh, you gotta be kidding me. Dang it, now I gotta sit on wet seats. Tried to wipe off my side windows, but they're all ice. Look how much snow is on this thing. Can't see anything. This will be fun. Actually, main roads aren't that bad. The way people are looking at me is cracking me up. Like, I don't know why they're looking at me like I'm crazy in this thing. I guess because they probably just don't know it's an all-wheel drive car and can actually do decent in the snow. They look at me like I'm an idiot. Oh, The mailman's monging! The mailman is monging! Oh my, yo! Look at his manji marks! No way, I just watched a mailman manji. This has gotta be one of my favorite videos I've made. This is so fun. I know for a fact he was doing that on purpose too, because I saw the way he took that turn. He totally gave it gas, feathered it out, and then kept going with it. That was literally the best thing I've ever seen. Dang, I'm not even gonna lie, the speed is a monster. I just plowed right up my driveway, no issues at all. Hit a little bit of limiter, but nothing crazy. But we're in. Look at this thing. Look at those marks. Right on up. What do you guys think of the snow, huh? They're hyped. They are so hyped. Come on, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. A lot of crazy stuff happened. The speed is covered in snow. Look at that, all packed up with snow. And overall, it was just a pretty sick video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. I've been trying to make this video for a very long time and it finally happened today. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know if you guys wanna see some other snow speed stuff. Throw some ideas. Follow me on Instagram, AustinBBurner. Peace out.